Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Bullymake box. This is their February box. If you're not familiar with Bullymake, I have unboxed this several times on my channel, but maybe you haven't seen any of those, or you're new. If you are, hi. This is a monthly box for dogs that are chewers. So if your dog goes through toys like crazy, this is something you might want to check out. They do tailor it to the size of your dog and also to any allergies that your dog might have. Boxes typically include 2 toys, a nylon and a rubber, and then 3 treats, all made by Bullymake, all made here in the United States, sourced here in the United States. Very incredibly good products, and the themes are adorable. Like, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, it's too cold here in Pennsylvania to get flash in the videos. It snowed here. We have and I tried to wait, and I'm like, I can't hold out any longer. We just have had snow on the ground for the past week. It's just not, it is what it is. So anyway, maybe next month, hopefully the weather is, better. So this is their February box. Super cute. I did pop the top just to take my first glimpse photo. And I was like, oh, so cute already. And I am going to donate almost all of this to my daughter's doing a thing for the Animal Rescue League for her Girl Scout troop. So we'll be donating all these products. Since I do not have a dog, I know you guys are probably like, you have a cat. Why are you, you know what I'm saying? It's $39 a month. I should say that. All right, so here it is, the February Bullymake box. Every box has its own unique insert. In the back, they tell you about the featured toy. They also, I think you get a discount if you want to go back and buy another toy when you're a member. All right, so let's get in here. And it's an orange box, right? Okay. All right, so here our first is our rubber toy. So they all have like a spot to put your bully stick or whatever it is that you put in your dog's treats to make it more engaging. It is a cupcake with some sprinkles. Super duper cute. I love it. And it's like, this is so adorable. So. All right, and that one retails for $18. All right, next up you have Bullymake Valentine's Healthy Dog Treats. So these are in the shape of little hearts. Typically I open these and show them to you guys, but I'm not gonna, since I am gonna donate these. I don't want them, obviously they don't want open treats. But these are super cute. Look, it's oh, what is this dog? A Boston Terrier, is that the one? They're so cute. All right, moving along. I love that their packages are always just so cool. Like they're just tailored to every month. I think that's so neat. All right, so these are lovely lamb bites. These are shaped like little bones, and the dog on here, they're falling from the sky. Isn't that cute? And then on the back, they do tell you guaranteed analysis, crude. It tells you how much crude protein, crude fat, crude fiber, moisture, and then it has all the ingredients: lamb, sweet potato, potato starch, vegetable oil, cane molasses, guar gum, rosemary extract, ooh, and mixed tocopherols and salt. And then it tells you 1 treat per 15 pounds per day. And then it tells you the calorie content and all that stuff. So they have everything on here so that you have access to that. All right, next we have our other bag of treats. These are peppermint sticks. They have done this before. I think this is really cool. They have done spearmint. These are a little different. And they kind of show you the shape here. It's like a little pointy stick thing. So they do actually use, because I looked in the other ones, they use a peppermint, and I guess it makes your dog's breath smell good, or you know what I mean, if your dog has bad dog breath. That's really cool, right? And of course, it's in cute pink for the month of February. And then finally, we have our nylon toy. Oh, I'm sorry, that's loud. For the month. This is the Bullymake Valentine Be Mine Heart. So on the back, you see how this is hard. Your dog is never, if your dog can get through one of these, I'd be amazed. Also, I should say they have a 14-day money back, not money back. If your dog chews through the toy within 14 days of you getting it, they'll replace it. So that's a really cool, thing that they offer. All right, so there is their little Valentine heart. This retails for $18 as well. So in your $39 box, you get your 2 toys, a rubber, a nylon, these fun peppermint sticks, these fun little hearts, and your lovely lamb bites. Awesome, right? If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Bullymake with my affiliate link so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.